Well, I think the reality is that at least for the near term, it looks like the momentum is here. They're here to stay. And so, I think with that in mind, we need to participate and we should have the tools to win. I actually view it as an opportunity. No doubt the offering is much, thinner and less robust than what we can do with full online sportsbook. But it's still something that I think for states like California and Texas, where there aren't traditional OSB products, it's something I think that can play very well and will generate real interest. And I think at the same time, in states that we currently operate OSB, we're going to continue to focus there. We don't see a need to play in this space. So I actually think it works out quite well, where the financial opportunity is also in the same places that we believe there's more clear regulatory landscape.
Well, do you think that Kalshi's taking share from you? Because people might just want to make a bet on a game in the end, and you can do it.
No, I mean, listen, I don't know. I understand this is new. I feel like, though, simply going and spending 5 minutes looking at the products, you'll see what I mean. It's night and day. The amount of markets, even the pricing isn't something that I would view as competitive with what we do. You have to look no further than the UK or other Western European markets where there's exchange-based betting and there's also traditional sports betting. And the exchange products are typically, low to mid-single-digit percentages of share of the total industry. So, I think that alone kind of tells you that in places where there is both a full-fledged sportsbook offering and a predictions market offering, you're going to see very little volume migrating from the sportsbooks. If anything, I actually think a lot of it is incremental, because what happens is the sharps that get limited on the traditional books, they can go to the predictions market. So a lot of what it's become in the UK is just people, sharps kind of battling each other and various things. So, there's definitely a market for that, but I don't think in a place with sports betting it's as big. Now, that said, these products will evolve over time and that could change. But in today's world, we see absolutely no discernible evidence that this is having any effect. Our numbers look great.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.